Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is I, Kashif Hussain, an English language instructor and a motivational speaker. Viewers, in this video I will let you know some usage of ability with the help of using model can. By using can, you can talk about different abilities of anyone. For example, I can speak English, she can talk to me, they can go to picnic. So let's come out to the structure of can. Here we go, subject plus can, first form of verb, then object. You can use can for asking questions. Can you speak English? Can you bring a glass of water for me? Can you talk to me after break hours? So here you can see that I am making different sentences by using can. You can also use can for states by using can be. She can be a good singer after practicing a lot. He can be a good teacher after joining the language classes. So here viewers, you can see that I am making sentences for the states. In the next video, I will let you know more usage of can. Till then, if you like this video, don't forget to share it and yes, subscribe my channel.